Hey everyone, ever wanted to see what you'd look like with Elon Musk's face? Or maybe swap faces with your pet? Well, now you can with this awesome free AI tool called Face Swapper. It's super easy to use. Just upload a photo of yourself and another photo with the face you want to swap, and click Swap. The AI does all the work, and in seconds, you'll have a brand new, face-swapped image. You can swap faces with anyone, even celebrities or characters from your favorite movies. It's great for creating funny memes or just having a laugh with friends. I tried it out myself and was really impressed with the results. The swaps were pretty realistic, especially with high-quality photos. You can even swap multiple faces in a group photo, which is really cool. One of the best things about Face Swapper is that it's completely free to use and doesn't require any sign-up. Simply visit the website, upload your photos, and let the AI do the rest. That's all for today's look at the amazing AI Face Swapper tool. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.